My name's ENiGMA DUBZ, and this is my masterclass for Soundteams. I've been producing multi-genre bass music for over 15 years now. I've been working as a music producer since the age of 17, and behind the scenes I write and produce for a large amount of other artists and DJs as well. I run my own label called Maury Records, as well as releasing on other labels in the scene such as Deep Dark and Dangerous, Bass Rush, Duplock, to name a few, and a lot of other labels as well. In this masterclass, I'm basically making a dubstep banger. I'm still using OG Massive by Native Instruments for most of my bass design. Amongst Massive, Serum, sample manipulation, Logic Pro is my DAW, and I really hope you get something from the session. Enjoy, people.
What do you think of my bass?